There's my new refrigerator. That old Serval propane refrigerator worked good. Didn't have a lot of issues really with it. Just used a lot of propane. So I got this running off my solar panels. And so far, works pretty good. Ain't the biggest fridge, but shit, just me and the old lady. Ain't really got no kids at home or nothing no more, so we don't need a lot. Can't remember what exactly it draws for power or whatnot, but it wasn't a lot. And I think it was $140 or something like that. But it works good. Ain't got a lot in it right now, but it's working.